We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where it came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, we smoking on sweet. Told him no, take a shot on 3. Told him that.
What's up, fam? Today we're gonna learn the song Sativa by Jhene Aiko. She's featuring Swae Lee, and we're gonna learn 3 chords. It's gonna be C minor sharp, F minor sharp, and E major. Whew, it's gonna be something. Let's do this. Okay guys, so the chords that you're gonna learn today are gonna be F minor, right here, sharp, F minor sharp, the next chord is going to be a C minor sharp right here. And the last chord is going to be an E major, but instead of doing the E major right here, we're gonna do it on this side. You're gonna press your you're gonna put your finger right here on the 4th fret, and it's like doing a C. Okay, there you go. That would be your E major, made in a bar chord. Now, of course, they don't go in that order. The way it goes is like this. Your verses is gonna be F, C, F minor sharp, C minor sharp. Now the hook, right, the chorus is gonna be made of 3 chords, which is your F, then you go back to F, and now you do a E. If you cannot do this E right here, you can do it normal, but it will sound a little different. You can do the E major played right here on using your first 2 frets. Something like this. I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna speed up the tempo. And here comes the hook. Now you're gonna close with an E. Back to the F again. And you repeat that twice, you know, and then you go back to only F. And your C minor, okay? Now, if you can, there are many ways you can play these chords. For example, I'm gonna be doing an F right here. And I'm using, this is like doing an A minor, but I have a bar right here. I'm pressing on the 9th fret. And then you can also do a C minor sharp right here, just by placing your fingers on top, like doing a E minor, and you don't move your finger right there. So you can do F and then C. And then your E would be right here, using your 7th fret as a bar, and this would be like doing a A major. And that's it, guys. That's how that song goes, all right? Let's put this into practice. And remember that the song is in the key of C minor in case you want to do pentatonics or full scale. Let's do this, guys.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrate. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where it came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, we're smoking on sweet. Told them go and take a shot on 3. Told them drinks, it's on me. Yeah, drinks on me. Said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is a tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
So this is it, fam. If you like what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back and visit us again. Till next episode.